Alright, what is up guys? I'm back. Been a while, but I'm back. And look what just came in. Look what just came in. So my wheels finally showed up. They are right here. And I got the, what'd I get? The Gsport Ribcage rims. I just bought some regular spokes. And I got the Profile Elite hubs. Both in polished. Alright, I'm gonna save this one for next, like after this. Which side first? This side. Not so close. Alright, wait. You want this, Philip?
Yeah, let me get that. I need to put on my bike.
Okay, they hooked me up. Rim strips. Right there. Let's take these out.
You know we're not putting this together today.
I know.
Okay.
Alright, so we got rim strips. I don't know why they gave me another set, but oh well. 2 Albie stickers. Shout out to your boy Albies. Hooking me up. Oh gosh. Oh gosh.
And the rim dented.
Oh gosh.
Woo! What if it's like the wrong rim or something?
Oh.
That's ugly as fuck.
Oh, look at this. You ready? Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's the ice. That's what it is. It's the ice shape.
Look.
Look at this sound.
God
That
damn.
sound.
Alright, we're gonna stop riding with him now.
He's gonna be like Newman.
Oh wait, this way.
You know,
That's
it's not gonna be
louder
that.
than
It's not gonna
Newman's.
be that loud when you put your tires on and everything.
Yeah.
That's
The tire and tube absorbs the
true. Oh
sound.
my gosh.
Alright, fucking enough. Open the next one.
Alright, so I got the Gsport Ribcage. Here, show the, right here. Yeah, Gsport Ribcage. Profile Racing, back hub, and polished.
Profile elite right here.
So loud. Alright, look at. Alright.
Alright, hey, we got something else in here. If you come look, we got more paper. More of this. Anyone want some? We're doing a
They hooked
giveaway.
me up with 2 stickers. That's it.
Hey, we're doing a giveaway soon, okay? Here, we're giving away some free paper. Free
Shout
paper.
out to your boy.
Dude, I'm
Shout
so
out to
good at
Albie's
filming.
hooking us up with some paper to give out. You know, we're gonna do a giveaway soon. So, alright, if you want to enter the giveaway, you gotta like this video, you gotta comment penis, and we'll just pick the best one. Right there.
Alright, bring it. Fucking, and he's not even pointing at me.
I went to film school, so
Pay for this?
yeah. Lick it. I thought he was actually gonna.
3 days later.
Here's the pedals, BPE, best pedals ever. Best pedals ever pedals. Kind of a sick name. Alright, opening for the first time. Voila. They look pretty sick. They're nice. Yeah, the old pedals I had were the Odyssey Twisted PCs. And I really don't like these. They don't last long at all. So I'm gonna take these off. Alright, so it's another day. My hub guards came in, so let's just go ahead and get these unboxed. And that's everything, nothing else. Alright, so I got the rear hub guard. And then I also got the front hub guard. This is what the rear looks like. And here's the front. Alright, so I'm back and I got another box in the mail. It's been about 2 weeks since I got my hub guards. No, since I got my pedals. Okay, and I just ordered the POC Backcountry MIPS helmet. I'm about to unbox it. So, I heard a lot of reviews that when you order this helmet, it comes in a size too small. I'm just hoping this fits. Okay. Nothing in here except the receipt. Just a receipt. And that's everything in the box. Alright, so here's the helmet box. Here's the sizes. And then on this side, has some cool information about it. Ooh, wow. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh. Here. Open. Pock sticker. What is this? A t-shirt? Oh no, it's a little carrying case. That's what that is. Here's a goggle clip that I'm never going to use. What is this? Just some extra parts if I break something. And foam padding. Here's some foam padding. To 56 was way too big. The helmet I have right now is a small, but it was like it's way too cramped. Feels like. So I'm gonna try and get 53 to 54 centimeters next. Alright, so what is up guys? I'm back. We got another package and okay, so I ordered a new Colony seat post and I got a Fiend seat. And then what else I get? I got a new frame, but that still hasn't come in. So this is from United Kingdom. I bought it off of Reaction Bicycles. It came pretty quick since it came from, you know, United Kingdom. It came in like 5 days. What kind of box is this? Alright, there we go. Boom. Look at this. That's pretty sick. Looks pretty good. This is what it looks like by itself. See, I got this one because they said it's gonna last long. What it's made of. I don't know what they said. It looks pretty good quality. And then I also got, here's the receipt. And then, what the fuck? My bottom bracket. A little package broke apart. No, I don't really care. Here's the Colony seat post. Okay, here it is. I just put it on. It looks pretty good. And then let me take out this bottom bracket. Here's the bearings, just a normal bottom bracket. I got it in black.